Here's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. It comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Every Honda is designed with a driver in mind. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.